Hey, hey guys, I may look demonic right now, but they'll be light in 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's light. And I need my toothbrush. I brushed my teeth. Just no, 3, 2, 1. Got it. There will be some toothpaste on my toothbrush. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, so let's start brushing my teeth. The water's not on. Be back. Need that water? Alright, so let's brush. My teeth will be way cleaner than this in 3, 2, 1. Here it is. I have some gel in my mouth. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's going. But guys, it's 3 a.m. in the morning. I'm going to try to make slime at 3. My bowl will be here in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so next, first I need to put some toothpaste in it. Add some toothpaste. Now I need to add in some more water. Guys, I am not. Somebody's rubbing my shoulders. Okay, it's going, guys. This is really scary, but I'm just gonna make some slime. Okay, I made my slime base, guys. Gotta mix up the foam inside of it to make the foam of the slime. Okay, there's nobody. So I'm gonna keep making this. Okay, so I've added some of that. Man, alright guys, so I added some toothpaste into this. So I'm just gonna guys, can y'all see me? Guys, what's going on? 3, 2, 1. You okay, guys? Whew, okay, I'm glad y'all okay. For a second, I couldn't see y'all. Something is happening. I thought this was a fake challenge, guys. Why would y'all do this? Now answer. Okay, I don't care about the answer. I'm just gonna continue making this my slime because I know nothing's gonna happen. Everything's okay. It's clumping up with this little texture. Okay, making slime. It was clumping up together. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna leave my toothbrush right here. Guys, if this thing disappears, tell me, because it's gonna be right here. Okay, be back. It's right here, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. What? Where is it? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Here it is. I'm just gonna keep making my slime. It's really thick. What? It's liquidy. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's going everywhere. It was just thick. Oh my god. This is not. I'm brushing my teeth with it. My teeth will be cleaner. In 3, 2, 1. It's clean. We're going to get rid of this bowl in 3, 2, 1. Okay, now this toothbrush. 3, 2, 1. Okay. My windows are open. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching. That was really creepy. And how am I in my room? All right, guys. I'm done. This 3 AM slime challenge was really creepy. So bye, guys. Bye.